Gusii and Amadi nigo abegereri ababiri bagwesokia nabo igokuburia okumwegerera sokwirana ase mirimo yaye bakoragwa ntumwegereri omonene Danstan Omari nigaberega kweneke buna nige kinekyo kebwaterenti na mangana asiasa asibaganirie oboene gokorekana omurikeito Brighton Makoli na irachinga kichaye chabene na gutwariganiria oroboti rokubwatia
Watakana nekio kyabegetwe bosi ibwa Judicial Service Commission gyo kyabegetwe n'umunyabiasara oyome kikerengete ku mwaka isiko mo Chief Registrar of Judiciary and Amadi nikobona abawakiri bakorawa na Danstan Omari banyarire bagwesokya na gukana amangana US badiro nigo bawochikumwegerera.
The Chief Registrar of the High Court of the Judiciary, Amadi, is under sick. Somebody went to court and filed an application to freeze her personal accounts. Remember, this is the PS, the finance officer of the judiciary. The timing of that application and the mischief in that application started when the CS for Interior said that the judiciary is responsible for the massacre at Shakahola.
Korengana na Danstan nigateruna ekinekyo anenekerengete ku mwaka isiko Amadi nigogesegedire na gesiasa.
The judiciary has no executive power to arrest. After that, a petition is filed against the Chief Registrar. Following that, a petition has now been filed to the JSC for her removal. Definitely, the executive wants to control the judiciary. This is an attack on the independence of the judiciary. By law, every advocate who registers a law firm, the name of that law firm shall bear the name of that advocate by name.
Korengana na Omari nigobona teruna yaya nigo an abwatiti dichiko liabene nonye nekero arasekero kyaye bono mo Chief Registrar of Judiciary nonye kabwatero famu yaye nigo aikerenti amachikali atakeire.
So Amadi and Company Advocates is a law firm that was registered by the Chief Registrar. She resigned and joined the judiciary, but the name is there. The Speaker of the National Assembly, Wetangula, still the law firm Wetangula is present. It has not gone away. All the law firms that were registered are existing. So this is political witch hunt. This is profiling the Chief Registrar by virtue of her tribe, where she comes from.
Bono nigo banyarire bakuburia abakenya bonsi wesokya na kumwegerera Amadi asibaterune ibigambero bisiguturubaniwa igonigense ya Kenya erabe ase akongu.
Appealing to every Kenyan to stand firm behind Amadi, because if she is removed from that office, then remember the judiciary will be controlled by the executive. Already, the executive controls parliament, the only arm of government that can help Kenyans and that can stand against the executive or the tyranny of numbers is the judiciary.
Korengana barabu buna abawakiri nigo bono bamochirie ngane iyo asibaburia serikali wetosana ni asibigambero na kwa ibigambero libaga hali saine na gukora imirimo yabo goki asaba Kenya.
So as citizens and as advocates, we condemn and we do not approve the machinations against Amadi, the Chief Registrar of the Judiciary. Linking the Chief Registrar to a gold scam is equally bringing the name of the judiciary to a lot of disrespect. We shall stand firm. We shall be moving as advocates who apply to be enjoined in that matter, so that we bring to light the people, the dark forces who are profiling officers of the Republic of Kenya by name, by tribe, by gender, so that they can remove them from office.
Ngolipoti riketa seni Candice TV, iridhariane Brighton. Mako